Hello everybody, Reef Noob here, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my current loop system DC flow pump. It's for my sump pump. It's coming along with my package that I got with my water box, and it's a 1050 gallons per hour unit. It also has a 10.5 head pressure. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we got. Looks like the instruction book from Current. That's the side. It's the Current flow pump manifold, and also related attachments. That. This is little pipe connectors, it seems like, attachments, and some O-rings in there. Looks like the protection cap. I think this belongs, it's kind of from the picture, it's the inlet. And got the main system here itself. One thing about this thing I love, it's like a new car, like a new car smell. You can smell the basically just everything just smells new. Definitely have nice shock absorbers here to help reduce some of the noise and vibration. And it's kind of a nice little back part. It's pretty good. Nice. Yep, can't say anything about it. And of course, that's your main system. This also hooks up into the pump full manifold, helps you create control the rate of flow. That looks like some, that's pretty cool. Looks like some cable management. Go to the side. And then you have some, I think, oh, it's the power supply. We got the main power supply for the unit itself. That's pretty. It gives you plenty of cable along with it. Yep. There you go, guys. So everything. Again, this is the Current DC pump. And it has basically, you can adjust the flow with it, and you can hook it onto the loop system. It's part of the whole entire package that I'm giving along with a my water box 7.52, and it looks pretty good. So, let me see. Yeah, that's pretty good. So you guys have it. It's pretty set. Hopefully I'm going to do a run video pretty soon. But right now, so this is a quick unboxing of the Eflux DC flow pump from Current. All right, thank you very much. See you guys around.